represent 90s in there, and it's a Posh Culture Color Me 90s. So duh. It represent 19 and it's saying it. Duh, everybody, Shanae 767. What's popping? Hope everybody's having a blessed day today. Today's video is an unboxing video from Posh Culture. Now, I'm very happy to finally get my hands on this product. I hear great reviews about this product, and I had this product way back in October but never get a chance to unbox it and see what it's really like. So this video is my first impression, and we together unboxing this product from Posh Culture. So this is the box, front and back. I'm covering up my private information on there. And this is what the inside look like. So the first thing on top of the box is bubble wrap. So let us open this up. Ooh. So this is what it look like. I've been seeing this palette for such a long time, especially on Instagram, and everybody is raving so much about this palette. It's from Posh Culture and it is Color Me Caribbean, and you're seeing Trinidad, Grenada, Jamaica, Barbados, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. You're seeing all different flags on there, and I'm really excited about it because finally we have palettes to represent the people in the Caribbean. So I guess you pull it out like this. Very nice. Love the packaging. This is the front and this is the back, and then I'm gonna open it. Ooh, nice. So once you open the package, you're seeing this beautiful lady right there on it, and you're seeing all the Caribbean flag on there. You're seeing Grenada, St. Lucia, Barbados, Jamaica, Dominica, whoop whoop, where I'm from, you see in the corner down there, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, St. Kitts. A lot of flag representing the Caribbean, which I'm very happy about. And below there's a styrofoam, you call it, to protect the eyeshadow. And look at this eyeshadow, guys. Let me take a closer look about this eyeshadow. Are you seeing this eyeshadow? They are so beautiful. Oh my god. Are you seeing the names on this eyeshadow? You have Rum Punch. This is Rum Punch. This is Rum Punch. Walking Trophy here. Ocean Blue, Royalty, Reggae, Island Gem, Coconut Milk, Paradise, Curry. Curry. Look at Curry. Oh my god, look at Curry, guys. Curry, Shady, Caribbean Blue, and Black Sand. So the names of the eyeshadow really have me bugging, guys. Oh my god, I am shook with the names on this eyeshadow palette, and I really kind of wait to try them out. Let me I want to swatch Curry, especially Curry, because you know us in the Caribbean. I'm gonna, oh my god, look at Curry, guys. It's the middle of the night, guys. Look at Curry. And it looked just like the curry powder, I must say. So it's very pigmented from the swatch, and I really love the colors. I love that the fact that she has shimmery eyeshadow on there, and the colors are perfect. So I really like this palette so far, and I cannot wait to play in this. So going further in, the next palette, this is my receipt. So the next palette is this one. This one I think launched around October time. So when I was getting this palette, the Caribbean palette, this comes out the same time. So I just happened to get both of them just to see what it likes. So let's open it up together. Oh my god. The packaging is everything, the bubble wrap and safety. Posh Culture present Tropix. So So this is what it looks like. This is at the back of the package right there. So let us open it up together, guys. I have to. I love the box. I'm debating if it's to keep the box. So it comes like this. You guys can see it. Look like a coconut tree, I must say. So let's. Oh, wow, guys, look at how so pretty. Oh my god, look at the back, look at, oh my god, the package is amazing. Look at the colors on there, guys. Look at, are you seeing the colors? More beautiful colors, bright colors. And if you don't know, the people in the Caribbean, we love colors. My god, it's really pretty, guys. Oh my god, you have beach sand, palm tree, blue skies, sweet pineapple, sunset haze. Oh my god, coconut craze, island hopping, grapefruit pink, papaya juice. Are you hearing the names of these eyeshadows? Are you hearing the name? Oh my god, are you seeing that? They are so pretty. I love the packaging on them. Let me do a swatch for you. Let me do a swatch for you. Let me try island hopping. Island hopping is this one right there. Let me just try this one. Island hopping. Let me just. Ooh, it's very. This is so pigmented. Oh my god. This is so freaking pigmented. So you already know, if you're using eyeshadow from this palette, you have to pack on the color, because look at all this pigment that come out from island hopping. Oh my god. Oh my god. Girl, you have yourself a #1 customer. I feel like, oh my god, it's a fan, you know? Oh, guys, and then you just close it like this. It's magnet too. Oh my god, she wins, trust me. So this is this eyeshadow palette. They just launched it around September or October, so I got it the same time that she launched, as well as I got the Caribbean eyeshadow palette. So I'm very happy that I got my hands on there. If you're using this palette, it is super pigmented from the swatch of it, but of course I will do a review of eyeshadow very soon, so look out for that. So the next thing that I got, okay, I don't pick and choose. So this is the packaging in here. Yes, so I got the Paradise Glow. So this is their loose highlighter. So let us see what's inside. Huh? I want to do a first impression for you guys. So comes out. It's so pretty. It really represents the Caribbean and Hawaii and all the nature islands out there and countries out there. I love the packaging. It's really nice. So let us see. Really still that they don't play with their products. So let us see what. Oh, look at this, guys. This look like 24 karat gold in here. It is so pigmented. Are you seeing that? It is really pigmented. Oh my god, this is wow. I like it. I You already know I'm gonna be using this a lot, but I do wish that it, you know, like the clear seal, the clear wrapper that comes on top of the loose pigment or the loose eyeshadow or the loose setting powder or the loose highlighter. There's a white paper that comes in it before you use it. It doesn't come with it. It just comes as you see, as I open it, just come just like that. But other than that, it's really nice. So let us do a swatch. Let me try this hand right here. It's fine. It's very fine. Whoa. Oh my God. Are you seeing this? You're seeing this, right? I know you're seeing this. Let me do a swatch. Oh my God. Are you seeing this? So this highlighter, you have to be very light-handed. Trust me, for this highlighter. So far, I'm loving it. I'm loving everything so far. Whenever using the highlighter and the eyeshadow, be very light-handed because as you can see, it is super pigmented. Trust me. So that is the highlighter. Now the last thing I got from them, take this out. Right, so I remember I saw the colors online with this palette, so I couldn't wait to try it out. So once again, it comes in a bubble. Ooh, Lord, I almost break it out. So basically, it's like this, right? So it almost slide off. But anyway, that's besides the point. I love the colors. The colors represent 90s in there, and it's a Posh Culture Color Me 90s. So duh. It represent 90s and it's saying it duh, Chanel. So I don't film in the day because of the noise from my family, and we have a lot of dogs in the neighborhood, and now I'm filming it in the night, and yeah, go sleep. All right, so it really represents the 90, and I love how colorful their packages is, and I love the colors on there. So it slides off, right? And oh, it opened, and wow, look at the colors, guys. Look at the colors. Look at the colors. Look at the colors. It's the colors for me. 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 Oh my God. So, oh my God. So it comes with the paper, the shield paper, and then this is the side of it. I love the packaging on this side. It is really 90s and retro. I'm gonna do a swatch on my hand just to see how really I'm pigmenting this eyeshadow palette. I love how small it is. So basically it's travel friendly, which I really like. So let us see which color you think I should use. I'm not sure. Let's try, I'm gonna try them all. So let's try the green, the Fresh Prince. Let's try the green first. Oh my God. Here it is. My hands is still wet though, but so this is green. Let me try the blue. Are you seeing these colors? Try the pink one. Oh my God. This. Oh my God. I'm running out of fingers, but let me try this one. This is the yellow. Yellow is... Guys, you all know makeup artists out there. You cannot find a very high pigmenting yellow eyeshadow, but are you seeing this one right there? You seeing this one? It's very hard to find a yellow eyeshadow that is pigmenting, and look at this yellow right there, guys. Look at it. Look at it, and there's no primer on my hand. My hand is just bare. Whoa. And my last finger, let us try the orange. Guys, I'm gonna wipe off my hand. I'll wipe off my hand because I want to try the last color just to see. This one right here. This one is called Chill Peel. So, finger, and I'm gonna go right here. Guys, look at the colors. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. This is really pigmented, and I don't have any primer on my hand. I just swatched the eyeshadow on my hand without a primer, and look at how pigmented this eyeshadow really is. So whoa. Everything that I got from Posh Culture, I love everything that I buy, and her packaging is so beautiful and so different. And also when it comes to the pigment in her product, it is super high. So whenever you're applying this pigment, be very light-handed because you will get a lot of pigment from them. I don't even have a primer on my hand, and look at how high this pigment is in the eyeshadow palette. So I'm very happy, I'm very satisfied, and I will be ordering again. So if you're interested in anything that I bought from Posh Culture, I will put the link down in the description bar, and there's no discount code. I'm very sorry. Everything that I bought is with my own money, and there was no discount on the site. Everything, it was the exact price that I buy from them. But I'm not disappointed at all because I'm very happy with everything that I purchased from Posh Culture. So thank you so much. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and hit this notification bell for What's Poppin' with Chanel 767. Until next time, my beautiful people. Mwah. Peace, love, always. Bye.